Hello everyone. So whenever you try to create an image with your Gemini AI, and you can see I have created a prompt and I'm using the Nano Banana Pro to create this image, and this gives you watermark here. And also if you use a free trial account, as you can see this is a free account, you can only use this for create a one image, two image, or maybe limited generation of three image. So how to use it for free without watermark? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create using the Nano Banana Pro and create images for free. So to create images for free, you need to search in the Google for LM Arena and click on this lmarena.ai. And once you are into this website, you can log in with a Gmail account. And once you log in to LM Arena, you just need to go to this battle option in the left corner, click on this direct chat, and here you need to choose the generate images option. And here you can find that Gemini 3 Pro Image Preview Nano Banana Pro. So I'm going to paste the same prompt here, the prompt that I provided in Nano Banana Pro with Gemini AI. Copy this prompt and I'm going to paste it here and click submit. And you can use this for free without any cost or paying anything. But as it is free, a lot of people are using it, so it's going to take some time to create this image. So you have to wait for like 1 minute and your image will be ready. So let's see how long it takes to create this image. So as you can see, our image has been ready and it only took 65 seconds, which mean 1 minute 5 seconds. And let's see the image here. And as you can see, this is the prompt that I provide, which is the same prompt. And you can see there is no watermark. And I think this image come out better here. So this is the image that I got in Nano Banana Pro using the Gemini AI, also with the watermark. And this is the image that I got with no watermark, also using the Nano Banana Pro LM Arena. So if you want to download this, here we can see there is an option of download. Click on this and it will be downloaded on your PC. And also you can edit this image. As you can see, there's the edit option. Click on this edit and now you can describe what you want to change or edit anything on the image. So I just provide a simple prompt, change the sunglass to black color, and now as you can see, it actually changed the sunglass color to black. So in this way, you can use the Nano Banana Pro for free without watermark. And for the image quality, this is not going to be 4K resolution or 2K resolution maybe, because you're using it for free. In the Gemini AI, the resolution is much better because it's using the Nano Banana Pro with much better quality. So if I download this image, as you can see now, it's downloading the full size. So the image that we downloaded with the LM Arena, it's only, you can see it's only 1.7 MB, and the image that we download with Gemini AI is 5.3 MB. As you can see, also the resolution is better here. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.